today I'm going to be installing a map. This map, it's actually little black cut vinyl, and it's on transfer tape. In other words, it's like that. There's the cut vinyl is actually stuck here, and you put it on, and then you peel off this clear cover, which is called transfer tape, and it leaves the black vinyl on the surface. So the first thing I did was we figured out where we were going to put it. This is about the only place in the van I could fit it. So I cleaned the surface, just a little light wiping of some alcohol just to kind of clean off any oils. And then my wife, she measured from the bottom up, here and here, to make sure that this tape is level, these two pieces of tape. And then what I do is I put this up here like this, and that's how it's going to look. So I know that's right there, level. What I'm going to do is make a hinge now. So I got a piece of tape here. Okay, so now the transfer tape is held up in the spot where I want it to be. I can look at it, it looks good. I got enough clearance on both sides, and I've got this hinge now. So I can lift it up like this and peel off the transfer tape. And you want to do it kind of at an angle, a sharp angle to the paper and to the plastic. And as you go, you want to just make sure that all the black comes off as you're doing it. You might have to take your finger and press down a little bit on it in some spots, like over here for those islands, which I'm not going to be driving to them, but who knows. Oops. And I messed up a little bit right there. Oh no. I messed it up a little. It was really tight up there. Okay. So now I'm going to take this. I'm sorry I'm going to block the view, but I got to get up here. And you got to just put it down a little bit at a time. Okay, so there it is. This is some really thin vinyl. Usually if it's thicker, it's not so bad. And now I'm just going to take my squeegee here and just press all that down. I remove the hinge.
Is it the key to make sure the hinge does not cover any of the map when you put it up there?
Yeah. Well, the hinge should fold up at this point.
Yeah, you don't want it. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So now the map outline is installed. The next thing you gotta do is take off the transfer tape. So when you do it, you don't want to just pull it straight off like that, because that will more than likely lift the vinyl you're putting on. So you want to grab it and pull it back at a real sharp angle. Just basically pulling it straight back like this. there it is.
Very slick.
There's the transfer tape. Now the next thing is all the little state stickers. So these are just stickers. They don't have a transfer tape on them.
Do you have Georgia there you could put on?
Yeah, so let's see. What state's Georgia? That looks like Georgia right there. And so you have to just peel it off, and then you got to put it in the outline there. There we go. It's a little big, but that's okay. It's going to fill in eventually. So we have actually been to Georgia. We've spent the night in an RV in Georgia. Let's see, where else have we done that?
Florida in this one.
Yeah, let's see.
Are we going to go by this RV, or are we going to just in general RVing?
This will be a continuation of our other RVs.
There's lots you can put on.
Yeah, so we're just going to fill it out. The next place we've been to, we've actually been.
Ooh,
oops.
move that one over.
Yeah, let's see. The smaller the decals, the stickers, the harder they are to put on sometimes. Okay, so there it is. There it is. This is all the states we've been to. We skipped New Jersey and Delaware on our trip up to Maine and all this. And we were going to be out here this time of the year right now, but because of this virus going around, we are not traveling right now. We are at our home and just waiting for things to settle down. And then on our next trip, we are going to head out here, and we are probably going to go to Chicago and then hopefully come down Route 66 to California, or we might just go up here to Yellowstone and do that trip. See Yellowstone and Mount Rushmore. We'll figure that out when the time comes. But there's our new state decal. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.